Hi guys, welcome to our video. Good morning. Today is Sunday, February 23, 2020. In this video, I'm going to share to you. I'm going to share how to export video, video version of your PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so we have a PowerPoint here. So this PowerPoint is about ICT safety, security, and etiquette. Part of our discussion in empowerment technology. Yes, yeah. Okay, so as you can observe guys. So we have very stunning slides. That is the power of Microsoft 365. Okay. Um, okay, so how to export, uh, how to create a video out of this PowerPoint presentation so that when you are going to send this PowerPoint presentation as learning resources or learning resource to your students, uh, kuha na siya ka ng in a form of video, uh, interactive. Yeah, dito siya interactive. Okay, so what we're going to do to create a video version of our PowerPoint presentation. So we will go to the tabs here. Yeah, on that file. Home, insert, draw, design, transition, animation, slideshow, record, review. So ano ito diri sa mga tabs guys. So dito mag dula-dula diri. So here in record na tayo makita niya guys nga save to video. Save to video, export to video. So ato ni siyang i-click. Ano? So naa siya kuan diri. So i-follow lang nato ni, follow reach your increase your reach with video. Bring all the components of the presentation together for easy sharing and viewing. Export video includes all recorded timings, narration, inks, and laser point gestures. Video also preserves animation, transition, and media. Okay, so we'll start exporting. So first, we're going browse tayo. Browse ta. So check para i-specify na to kung asa na to i-save ang ato ang kuan guys, ato ang video. Dali. So okay, it's already in my desired folder. So export. Na guys, pabuto na nato na. Ang trabaho man na. Then we have a MP4 version of our PowerPoint presentation. So that is how very easy to export or create a video version of our PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so it's already done. So let's view our video. So Microsoft Office has identified a potential security concern. This location may be unsafe. The teaching. Okay, so gi ikuha na tanya guys this is a feature of Microsoft about privacy notice. But we know nga kita may nagbuhat ani. So din sila kita may nagbuhat ani nga video so di ta ma kuan di ta maratol. So yes, continue. Some files can contain viruses and otherwise harmful. So again, this is part of that security check. Okay, so okay lang nato na siya guys. So this is now our file, video file. So our students, learners can watch the PowerPoint presentation in a form of video. Uh, so, mhm. Puwede sa ninyo ni edit guys 'no, puwede sa ninyo ni i-edit sa kuan kanang sa ini video editors na sudlan ninyo og kuan kanang, audio. Pero sa ako, sa akong presentation wala man ni siya, um, music so wala ko na siya, wala na iyang nabuhat. Okay. Okay. So, so uh, that's the end of our video. Again, so that is how very easy to export or create a video out of our PowerPoint presentation. That's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching.